Hi, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm Josh. We're so happy you're here with us today.
In this video, we're going to practice 150 of the most common daily English expressions. These are simple, useful phrases that you can use every day in real life.
That's right. We'll talk about different scenes like going to a café, shopping, walking in the park, watching movies, and planning your weekend. It's a great way to improve your English and sound natural.
If you're new to English or at A1 through A2 level, this video is perfect for you. We'll speak slowly and clearly so you can listen and repeat after us.
Yes, and don't forget the quiz at the end. It will help you check what you've learned. Try to answer the questions without looking back first.
Also, try our shadowing practice. Listen carefully, then pause and repeat the sentences out loud. This will help you improve your pronunciation and speaking confidence.
Remember, learning a language takes time and practice. Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. Watch the video again and again.
Exactly. Consistency is key. So, get comfortable, grab a notebook if you want to write down new words, and let's start learning English together.
Let's go. Ready?
Ready? Let's begin. Good morning, Josh.
Hi, Emily. Good to see you. How are you today?
I'm great, thanks. It's Saturday. I finally get to relax. How about you?
I'm doing well. I'm just a bit tired. I didn't sleep much last night.
Oh no, why not?
I stayed up late watching a movie. It was so good I couldn't stop.
Haha, I know that feeling. I went to bed early, but I'm still sleepy. I really need a coffee.
Same here. I need some caffeine. Right now.
Let's go inside, it looks cozy.
Yeah, and it smells amazing. I love the smell of fresh coffee.
So many choices. What are you getting?
I think I'll get a latte. To go, maybe. You?
I'd like a cappuccino, please. And maybe a small cookie too.
Sweet tooth today.
Always.
Hi there. What can I get for you?
Hi, I'll have a cappuccino and a chocolate chip cookie, please.
And I'll take one medium latte. To go, please.
Got it. That'll be $8.
Here you go. Can I pay by card?
Sure, please tap your card here.
Thanks for the coffee.
No problem. My treat today.
That's so kind. Next time it's on me.
Deal. Let's find a table by the window.
Great idea. I love people watching.
This is good. Just what I needed.
Same. I feel more awake already. So, what do you need to buy today?
Well, I need a new jacket. It's been so cold lately.
Yeah, I know. The weather is freezing. Did you forget your jacket again?
Haha, yes, I always do. My old one is too small now anyway.
Let's take a look in that store. They always have nice clothes. Wow, look at this one. It's warm and stylish.
Not bad. I like the color. What do you think?
It looks nice. Try it on and see how it fits.
Okay, where's the changing room?
It's over there, near the back.
So, how do I look?
It fits really well. You look great. Very smart.
Thanks, I feel comfortable in it too.
That's important. Warm and comfy.
Yeah, and it has big pockets. That's a bonus.
Nice. You can keep your phone and gloves in there.
Exactly. I think I'll take it.
Good choice. Are you going to check out now?
Yes, but wait, is it on sale?
Look, it's 20% off. Lucky you.
Awesome. Even better.
Hi there. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thanks. I'd like to buy this jacket.
Great. That'll be $48 with the discount.
Here you go. Can I pay with my phone?
Sure, no problem.
Ready for winter now?
Definitely. Thanks for helping me choose.
Anytime. Want to check out the shoe store next?
Why not? Let's see if they have any sales.
Wow, it's so sunny today. What a beautiful day.
Yeah, finally. No rain, no clouds, just perfect weather.
And it's not windy at all. I love days like this.
Me too. It's nice to get some fresh air.
I love walking in the park. It's so relaxing. It helps me clear my mind.
Same here, especially after a busy week.
Look over there. There's a little dog chasing a ball.
Aw, it's so cute. Look at those tiny legs.
Haha, I love dogs. Do you have any pets?
No, but I want a cat someday. How about you?
I have a turtle. His name is Max.
A turtle? That's awesome. Is he fast?
Haha, not really. He's super slow, but very chill.
Hey, I hear music. Someone's playing the guitar.
Yeah, over there on the bench. Sounds nice.
I love when people bring music to the park. It makes the atmosphere feel alive.
Totally. It feels like summer today.
By the way, what time is it?
Let me check. It's 3 p.m.
Wow, time flies when you're having fun. Why not? I'm a little hungry anyway.
Same here. I love chocolate flavor.
Chocolate? Classic choice. I think I'll go for vanilla.
Let's find a cart. I saw one near the fountain. Hi. 1 chocolate cone, please.
And 1 vanilla, please.
Here you go. That's $4.
Here's a 5. Keep the change.
Thank you. Enjoy.
This is delicious. Totally worth it.
Agreed. Nothing beats ice cream on a sunny day.
Want to walk a bit more after this?
Sure. Let's take the long path around the lake. Thanks for inviting me over, Emily.
No problem, Josh. It's always nice to hang out on the weekend.
Yeah, especially when we don't have to go anywhere.
Exactly. Let's just chill and watch a movie.
Sounds perfect. What do you have?
Let me check. I've got some action movies, comedies, and a few dramas.
I'm not in the mood for anything too serious. Let's watch a comedy.
Good idea. Something light and funny. How about Home Alone?
Yes, I love that one. It's a classic.
Great. I'll set it up. Want some popcorn?
Yes, please. And maybe something to drink?
Sure. I have soda, juice, and tea. What would you like?
I'll take a soda, thanks.
Coming right up? Make yourself comfortable.
Ah, this couch is so comfy. I love relaxing like this.
Glad you like it. Here's your soda and popcorn.
Thanks a lot. You're the best host.
Haha, thank you. Let's start the movie.
Do you usually watch movies alone?
Sometimes. But I prefer watching with someone. It's more fun to laugh together.
Totally agree. And we can talk about it after.
Yep. Do you want a blanket? It might get cold later.
Sure, thanks. You're always prepared.
I try. Okay, ready? Lights off?
Ready. Let's do it. Movie night begins.
Yay! Weekend movie time. Let's enjoy. So Josh, what's your plan for tomorrow?
I'm thinking of going to the museum. I heard there's a new art exhibition.
Oh, really? That sounds interesting. Which museum are you talking about?
The one near Central Park. You know, with the big glass entrance.
Ah, yes, I know it. I love that place. Want to go together?
Sure, that would be fun. It's always better with a friend.
Agreed. What time should we meet?
Is 10 a.m. okay for you?
Perfect. Let's meet in front of the museum at 10.
Sounds good. I'll be there on time.
Should we grab coffee before or after?
Maybe after? We can talk about the art we saw.
Great idea. There's a nice cafe just around the corner.
Nice. I've never been there.
You'll like it. They have the best cheesecake.
Haha, you always know the best food spots.
I try.
So, museum at 10, then coffee?
Exactly. Want me to text you in the morning?
Yes, please. Just in case I oversleep.
Haha, no problem. I'll send you a message at 9.
Thanks. Okay, I should head home now.
Yeah, me too. I want to sleep early tonight.
Same here. See you tomorrow then.
See you. Have a nice evening.
You too, Emily. Take care.
Mini quiz. Scene 1. At the cafe. 1. What drink does Emily order? A. Tea. B. Latte. C. Cappuccino. Answer. C. Cappuccino. 2. How does Josh feel in the morning? A. Happy and energetic. B. Sleepy and tired. C. Angry and hungry. Answer. B. Sleepy and tired. 3. What does Emily say about the cafe? A. It looks boring. B. It smells amazing. C. It's too cold. Answer. B. It smells amazing. 4. What extra thing does Emily want with her coffee? A. A cookie. B. A sandwich. C. A donut. Answer. A. A cookie. 5. How much is the total bill? A. $5. B. $8. C. $10. Answer. B. $8. 1. Why does Josh want to buy a jacket? A. His old one is lost. B. It's cold these days. C. He wants a new style. Answer. B. It's cold these days. 2. Where is the changing room? A. Near the entrance. B. Upstairs. C. At the back. Answer. C. At the back. 3. What color is the jacket? A. We don't know. B. Red. C. Blue. 4. What will they do after the museum? A. Go home. B. Go shopping. C. Have coffee. Answer C. Have coffee. 5. What dessert does Emma mention? A. Donuts. B. Cheesecake. C. Ice cream. Answer B. Cheesecake. Thank you so much for listening today. We hope you enjoyed practicing English with us.
Keep practicing every day, and don't forget to review the quiz and shadowing exercises.
If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons.
See you next time. Have a great day and keep learning.
Bye.
Bye.